Hello together. So you're sitting in your GTI Clubsport or Rabbit/Golf R and looking for the launch control and not finding it. Okay, come on. Let me show you straight to the point. You have to push the button to race mode. So that's for sure. And the transmission has to be in S. But now, here's the clue. Here's the secret. You have to slide down this menu and have to look for this button, the ESC system. The ESC system has to be on ESC Sport. But watch out, wait for it. When you slide down, maybe your ESC button is not there because this is the favorite, the menu with the favorite buttons, and you have to set it before. So push and hold this button, so now you can see all the buttons you can set there in this menu, and you have to put it there first. So, and now, as you know, push the brake, hit the throttle, and send it, baby. Whoa! Let's go! Have fun.